day is there, folder name is day. Then after that, inside multiple file 1, 2, 3, 4, like that way it's going. The remaining all are talented. Okay, it is to be. Okay, so which version we have to study? Bootstrap.
Sir, Bootstrap
4.6.
4.0.
4.6.1.
One second. Who telling version 6? Somebody telling 6 also.
4.6.1.
Oh, 4.6 you told.
Yes.
I thought somebody telling Bootstrap 6 also. That's I shocked. Only up to Bootstrap 5 had launched in market. Okay.
6 will launch, sir.
No, it not. It will come future. Okay, so actually we will not provide you the material of this Bootstrap. Okay, what you have to do, we have to follow that W3 school itself. Okay, regarding that, because that's not very big topic. That's why we thought that's fine. So actually in Bootstrap previously we had seen that for adding Bootstrap in our file, we have to do something, correct? What we have to do, how we will get the Bootstrap file, means whatever Bootstrap class having, how we will get that in our HTML, means how we can make a relation. Got my point?
Sir, giving a 4 script type
Link, sir.
link.
Link, which link?
Sir, Bootstrap style sheet and some JavaScript code, sir.
Yeah, so Bootstrap that whatever reference is required for taking their package, that we have to pass. Okay. Next, what was that? Yeah. So actually, Praful told that Bootstrap is framework of CSS. Okay. So from where that Bootstrap is getting the code? Suppose in CSS we have to write the file. We have to write our line of code. But from where that Bootstrap is getting that code? Whatever
Sir,
code is required. Yeah.
after CSS link, then after we will.
CSS link, that fine, but from where the code they getting? As like suppose if we will work on the external CSS, okay, in external CSS file we are writing the code, we are writing background color, those all things. In case of Bootstrap, from where they getting that whatever style we want, from where they getting? Can anyone?
In HTML.
Yeah, means in Bootstrap case be using that. Okay, so from where they getting that all the styles?
On UI,
Samir?
sir.
Samir?
Sir, I think you copied on.
Sir, I think a link can use.
Yeah, with
Sir,
the help
using
of
class, sir.
link. No, using class, that's fine. Be getting that. But where is the source file? Where is the file kept? Getting my point or not? Where that code is
Yes,
available?
sir.
Means where is that code? We know that whatever class we passing, whatever style we want, be getting somewhere. We don't know now also that class or this, that, let it do.
We can do in HTML by using link relation. We can pass
Okay.
the Bootstrap file.
Okay, fine. But my question actually you can't getting all. Means whatever style we want, suppose that background color, fine. So be passing something, class name, this, that, anything. But be not writing that background color. But then also be getting. From where they getting?
Sir, link Bootstrap CSS, sir.
In Bootstrap file.
Yeah, the Bootstrap file. But where is that file located?
In Bootstrap,
In folder, sir, where you write HTML code, you
download these
you put the
files.
path in
no
there,
sir.
sir.
In
Yeah.
Bootstrap,
So see, let me clear that. So how we will link that? Go with that first. Okay. I will remove this completely. What we had written. We had created table. Okay. That was that first day. Do one thing. Delete this. Create new. Actually, see what I will do. We will start from the first itself. Okay. Whatever you had studied that day, that also helpful. If not a study, don't worry. So we will start from new itself. One dot. Okay. So what will be the extension of the file? One dot HTML or one dot CSS or one dot Bootstrap? What should be? Hello? File name. We have to write like one dot HTML or one
No
dot.
idea, sir.
One
No
dot
idea.
CS.
Sir,
CSS
topic one dot topics are also HTML, sir. Extension,
Means
sir.
HTML.
Yeah,
HTML.
extension.
dot
See,
HTML,
CSS
sir.
extension we are going to use over here.
extension will be HTML itself because whatever be writing with the HTML itself. Got it? Even when you going to work with CSS, in that case also you was writing HTML and then you was making relation. You was taking that CSS file in HTML with the help of link. Correct or not?
correct sir.
Because browser only know HTML file, no any others file. That's why. That is the main issue. So go starting. Suppose that, okay. So from where you will get the Bootstrap and what is Bootstrap? First, let do this one. Okay. Where is that live server? Open with live server. So Bootstrap actually, it is known as the framework of CSS. Okay. What means the framework? Now question came, what is framework? Any idea?
Yes sir. The framework is like what we look.
No. Anyone?
Sir, framework means easy to access design in Bootstrap.
Not only Bootstrap, means other
Yeah.
language also. Framework means already something is written. Okay. Means most probability, suppose you want to write, suppose that just you can imagine template. Okay. But not even template, already something is written. Means predefine all the code. Okay. And whatever you want, you just refer with something and you can take that. That is the framework. As like Angular. Angular is the framework of which thing? Front end. It going to make your task easy. Suppose that you have to write 10 line of code, and with the help of framework, you can reduce that line of code, and that become like 3 line of code, 2 line of code. Means many library in the sense already predefined code. Okay, like that it was already available. So whatever task randomly you are performing, okay, that already got somewhere, means already defined somewhere, just you have to refer. For reference, everyone have something different scenario, different ways is there to refer. Suppose you have to refer any Bootstrap with HTML. So how you was referring any external CSS in your HTML? How you was referring? Shivani, how you was referring HTML?
Sir, with the help of link.
With the help of link, okay. And how you targeting HTML tag? Suppose H1 you want to pass color with H1. How you will pass?
With the help of selector.
With the help of selector? Maybe
Yes,
that
sir.
will be like H1, correct? Maybe this will be H1, that's just a heading tag. And if you have to pass a color of, means say with this one, what you will do? You will pass something external file, or otherwise here itself you can do that with the style tag also internal CSS, correct or not? Like this way we can.
Yes, sir.
It is not, yeah, color, sorry, red. So now we got that whatever we had passed the CSS. Okay, but same thing. So what we had done here, we had a target something. We buy directly by tag itself. But in case of this HTML, we can target directly with the help of our HTML or class or ID, anything. But in case of Bootstrap, we can't target in that way. We can target only with the help of a class. Okay, or ID maybe, but I can't tell you that ID will be there. But mostly with the help of class. Why not with the ID? I had told in the case of CSS itself, why we will not refer ID? What is the reason?
ID is the unique, sir.
Yeah. So
It
ID
is unique. Yeah.
ID is unique, and that mostly be keeping for identification purpose. Okay. That's why we never prefer to go with the ID. Always be preferring to go with a class, but we can do that CSS part with the help of ID also. But in Bootstrap case, I'm not sure that you can do that with the help of ID also. Mostly we will not. Okay. So how we will, which version of, so now we know that what is Bootstrap. Bootstrap is the framework of CSS. CSS of framework means what CSS is doing. See, question in interview, question is rising like this way. If you told that Bootstrap is a framework of CSS, so why we need the framework? If already Bootstrap is there, sorry, CSS is there. If a CSS is also doing the same task, then what is the need of Bootstrap? Can you tell answer?
For responsive, sir. Responsive
Res-
website, sir.
Responsive also fine. Second,
line of
Easy
line
code.
of
Line of
line
codes.
of code fine.
Reduce line of code.
Correct.
So
Next,
Sir,
execution
faster,
is
faster
faster.
and
fast.
easier.
Yeah,
Faster
faster
and
and
easier.
easier. Correct. Next. Okay, let it be. It's fine. So all answers are correct. So this type interviewer they are asking. Now you told that somebody told that reduce line of code. How it reduce the line of code? In the CSS, we also writing five line of code. But in Bootstrap, how you telling that it is going to reduce the line of code? Somebody told that fast and easy. How it is fast?
Sir,
But
you
my
told us.
oh, means I told it is fast. That's why you told okay, it is fast.
Sir, because line of code is short now. That's why
Yeah,
it's taken.
because like suppose that if you had written here 500 line of code, means it will take, suppose that each line of code it's taking 1 second for execution, means 500 second it will take for execution. Correct or not? Because
Yes, sir.
execution means whatever we are getting on our UI, it going to line by line. First it's checking document HTML document 5. Document HTML5 is there. Then it's starting from here. It should be language English. Then head section, meta, then title, then this. Means one by one. It's not like that directly it's gone and look in the browser. Not like that. Okay. So line of code. That's fine. Second, fast and easy. Because if line of code is less, execution will be fast. In place of 500 line of code, if you executing, there just you have to execute 400, 300 line of code. Because CSS is coming from somewhere. Correct. Got it. Second, a style means reducing time. Okay, how it reducing time? Sweta, how it reducing time? Pooja? Yeah, carry on. I know that. One more time.
Less line of code.
Less line of code, then it become fast. But how it reducing what I had told? Time. What was question actually? I forget.
That question was means we are going to CSS where it will be written the CSS.
No. Your question is very delay. I think question was it reducing time.
Yes, sir.
How it how it reducing time?
Less line of code is reduced time also.
But how? You have to prove that this is going to reduce our time. Means it's
Okay.
saving our, means question was exact question. It is saving our time. How it saving our time?
Because of we are going to call that class. And in that class, somewhere that already written CSS style.
Yeah. So that is the thing. Suppose that you have to write a style. Suppose here itself, if we want H1 having something, okay, pass here. What you will do? You will write first a style, then you will write suppose background color. Oh, sorry, what happened? Why it is giving this one? Oh, I not target that.
Sir, target.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
simply
Select
we
that.
can say that we are going to use ready-made class.
That's fine. No issue. That's also same thing. So see what we had done. We had written here 4 line, correct? So while execution, it have to execute line by line. Means total 4 line it have to execute. Second thing, we have to write this much line of code. Means we had written only 1 line, but then also we have to write. But in case of Bootstrap, no need to write like that much. Only we have to write. Means we going to save our time because we don't know CSS and we not want to revise CSS. So why we will do that? Remove this. Okay. That's why I think nobody is planning to revise CSS. Okay. So next, how you want to, how you going to reduce that line of code? So let's move on the Bootstrap side. We have this much confusion and this much doubt. We will got one by one all the doubt clear. So which Bootstrap version we will use? We will use Bootstrap 4. Okay. Already Bootstrap 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there. But we will use Bootstrap 4 because Bootstrap 5 is the latest one. Okay. So don't use that. Maybe you will get some bugs will be there. You can use if you want, you can use it, but I will not prepare to use that. But one thing I will tell, if you know Bootstrap 4 or Bootstrap 3 or Bootstrap 5, anyone, it's not a matter, there will be no any difference that Bootstrap 3 will be something different, Bootstrap 4 will be something different. No, just minor change will be there. Means like a new classes added, new functionality got added, like that type of behavior. As like suppose Angular, there is Angular now in market. I think Angular 11 or 13 is there because Angular launching, Angular updating
13,
each
13
6
is
month.
13
Yeah,
version going on.
Angular 13 is going on. Okay, but nobody using Angular 13 now. Everybody going with like Angular 8, Angular 9, Angular 11, like that. Because each 6 month Angular is giving one update. One update means big changes, like Angular 11 to Angular 12, like that way. It's changing that each 6 month Angular is releasing their update. Angular had started in 2017. Okay, and now you can imagine in 2022, within 4 year or 5 year, within 4 year itself or 3 year, 4 year, within 4 year, he reached up to Angular 12, Angular 12 or 13. Means you can imagine how much fast they updating. So nobody moving like that, because if you moved, some bugs will be there, your project will be damaged. That is the thing. So we will move with Angular Bootstrap 4, not in the 5. But Bootstrap having different version, 4.6.1, 4.5.3. That's not the matter. Mostly we follow Bootstrap 4. Fine. Anyone having any issue up to this? Okay. So next, how we will link Bootstrap? Suppose that we written something. I want to use Bootstrap with this one. How we will do that? So first you have to pass some dependency. Dependency in the sense somewhere the code is written that you have to pass here. You have to link that as like external CSS. So what we will do, easiest way, see, you can go on the Bootstrap official document also. So where is the official document? Search that get, don't do like that. Just search Bootstrap 4. That's it. Go like uneducated person and search like that way. So we got a Bootstrap 4. Okay. And this is the official document, getbootstrap.com. And when you will click this, you will got that here. Clear? And you will got all code, whatever line of code be getting with the help of W3 school. Same thing you will got here. Each line of code, same thing, because this is your official documentation. So, but you can practice from here also. If you want, you can practice from W3 school or any tutorial website, anything. That's not any compulsory that no, you have to follow like that. No, nothing like that. So next, how we will add Bootstrap in our project? Question is that. So do one thing simple way. When you coming on that W3 school, when you looking that any type of category here, open any one, try it yourself. Just 1 second. Okay, so open any, try it yourself. Okay, and let's see. And after that, let me do that. Yeah. So after that, see in the head section here already something is written. Okay. So what is written there? Meta tag is there already in our project also. This one is available. So no need this one. We want this all. Okay. Means all this 4 link. This bootstrap min.css. What means this file? Min.css. What is the extension?
CSS, sir, is style sheet,
CSS.
sir.
Correct. So this is CSS file, because when with the help of extension itself, you can find out which file is this one. So this is your CSS file. Second, in second extension, what is the extension?
Java
Speak
query,
fast.
sir.
Java query. Who telling
JavaScript, sir.
Script, sir. JavaScript.
No, I thought Java query is also there. Okay. So you telling that a JavaScript. Let it to be. What about this one?
JavaScript, sir, also.
It's also JavaScript, sir.
Again, the extension is JS. JS means JavaScript. Who don't know, just keep in mind, .js means JavaScript. Okay. Somewhere you will see that .php. See here in URL. What is this? What are you getting on the top URL?
ASP.
PHP.
No, sir, ASP, sir.
ASP means this file is in .NET website. ASP means a .NET. Okay, you will get that slowly with the help of different how that's you can find out. So with the help of a .NET file, when you will work on .NET, you will create file with the help of .asp extension. Okay, so these all file, and one thing, this is not JavaScript. Okay, this is jQuery. See the name, complete name, jQuery.slim.min.js. Okay, so this is a jQuery. So what we have to do, we have to copy this all 4 link. If you want, you can cut also, no issue. There will be no any loss to W3 school. He have too much link, he will take from other. Okay, so what we will do, we are going to keep that file. We will keep that file as like external CSS, nowhere, inside head only. Up to this clear or not? First let me confirm. Anyone having any issue? How we will
No, sir.
link?
No, sir.
All fine?
Sir, your
No, sir.
screen is not visible for me.
Who's the screen?
Because
Minus
your
screen.
internet connection not good.
Wow, Dharmender, you giving to the point answer. Don't insult like this way, okay? Don't tell openly. This is a public place. What happened, Shivani? Hello? Had somebody removed her?
No, sir.
Now is it visible?
Sir, no, sir. Only your voice is coming.
Oh. What about Shivani Kumari?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
For you, it's visible. Okay, then it
Yes,
is
sir.
sure that there is a network issue.
Sir, KB problem, network, sir. 50 KB up to visible your screen, not 50 KB not
Shivani
visible.
left and then joined.
Okay.
I
Okay,
tried
fine.
4 times.
One
Okay.
time more
So,
try.
okay, silent. Don't fight here. Okay, so what happened? How we got a link that bootstrap in our file? We will take that external link, all 4 link, okay, and keep inside a head section. Fine. Pawan had joined the class. Dharmender, check that. So next, here we passed all the link of the bootstrap. Okay. After this,
No, sir.
what we will, he not joined. Okay.
Because
Shivani, what
interview,
happened?
sir, he told telephonic
Okay.
interview.
Okay. Let it to be. So after this, what we will do? And one more thing. Whatever you had copy, please keep as like this. And second, one important, this jQuery file. Okay, this should be in the second. If you will keep this last, means last in the sense here. Okay, maybe some functionality will not work, because this due to this jQuery JavaScript will be depend, means this have to execute first, then JavaScript have to execute. That's why position is also matter. Okay, so you have to keep this in the second line. Don't keep this in the last line or first line anywhere, not like that, because execution is line by line. So suppose that some line of code is dependent on Java query, means jQuery. Okay, and that code is written inside this line. Then what will happen? During the execution of this line of code, means inside this file line of code, they want jQuery, and that jQuery is not there, because suppose you had changed the position, then it will not get that file, then you will not get that execution, then it will not work. Okay, so you have to take care, whatever you copied, paste as usual, no need to change anything. Don't make more intelligent, otherwise your intelligence will be shown in your UI. Okay, next, so up to this we had added that file. Next, what we will do, we going to save our time. How we going to save our time? What happened? Without heading also it came. Now we going to save our time. How we will save our time? Just see. I going to take one button. Okay, and we taken one button and take one button. Click me. Fine. And after click me, I want to add bootstrap class. Okay, wait. Tell me someone how we can design CSS, means with the help of CSS to the button. I want background color, text color, something. Tell
Okay,
me.
target the button, sir.
Okay, just wait. Oh, sorry, style correct. Yeah. Okay, next button.
Background
Next.
color, sir.
Fine, fine, fine. Fast. Sweta, Pooja, speak. Background color.
Yes, sir.
Background color. Go with red. Next.
Pixel, sir. You write, sir. Padding.
Let it to be border radius.
Yeah.
Come with 50%. Where is that 50%? Fine. Next. Padding.
Padding.
Fine. Padding 12 pixel. Let's say padding 12. Anything more? Text color. Sweta, text color. What was that
Color,
code?
sir. Color, sir. Color white.
Color white. Next, anything more here? We can remove border. Pooja, Sweta, Shivani. Remove border, Amol. Yeah.
Sir, I am
Who is dancing?
none.
Oh, none is dancing.
I am in shift, sir. I cannot.
No, I thought who is dancing. Then somebody told none.
Sir, border properties.
Okay, border property none. Okay, so what we had done, we had written this much line of code. Okay, anything more you want to do there? Let it to be. We had written that much line of code. We had saved our time. Let's comment. Now I will do something. Right there, class. Now for targeting bootstrap, see, I had commented that there is no any CSS style. Okay. There. Just 1 second. Oh, Pooja was in saved. Oh, sorry. By mistake, I taken your name. Okay. My voice is audible, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Correct,
So
sir.
what we had done, we had added that a style, but we commented out. We not want that a style. We want something a standard color, a standard something like that. Let it to be. So what we can do for targeting bootstrap. Now I will use with the help of bootstrap. For targeting bootstrap, we have to pass. What is the first step for bootstrap? What is the first step?
Container, sir.
What is first step? A container. What
We
is
are
first
going to
step?
take class.
What is first step? Adding
Link.
bootstrap.
Link, sir.
Link
Link
CSS.
bootstrap.
Yeah. So first step is link the bootstrap in our file. Correct? This one. Clear? What is second step? Wherever you want to add a bootstrap, pass one class there. Okay? And what you want? I want to change means a button. We will learn that, but for right now, just look that. I want the design for the button. What we will do? Right here button, BTN. Okay? No need to do. And do one thing, same way. Wait 1 second. Let me install one extension. I don't know whether you had installed or not. Had we installed any bootstrap extension here in the
Yes,
market?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You already
Sir,
installed. Okay.
One thing, sir, that
Yes, sir.
class name button. So we have to remember the classes, so, sir, of the
Yeah,
bootstrap.
yeah. Within 1 week, you will remember our class. Don't worry. Okay. We will got that session automatic where you have to add that. So we already installed the bootstrap, correct? What about CSS? Had you installed the CSS also? I think during starting itself, we had installed HTML5 and CSS also. I think that because I have that CSS, HTML and CSS support. And here also CSS class name. Okay. I think everybody had installed or not. If not, then please install this.
Sir, installed it.
No, we installed only HTML. We didn't install CSS.
I think this one we had installed. HTML and CSS both. Hai.
Yes, sir. This one.
This one. Yeah. So it's supporting both. No issue. So next see. Okay. So what I want to add the class for the button. So there is just a common class name for button. See, the naming convention is also related. Button means BTN. Okay. Save. What happened? Where is the border? Border gone, because border not gone. By default, the color is the white. Okay. I want color of the BTN is red. There is color name. Okay. First you have to take the parent. Okay. And after that you have to take parent child like that way. So I taken first BTN. Now it become the bootstrap button. Okay. Second, I want the button color, that is red. So there is one name for button. Okay.
Danger.
Take
Danger.
BTN and danger and take this. Save. You got the bootstrap. See, the first thing, when you will add bootstrap, you have to check whether it's working or not. Many times what will happen, it will not work. Okay, how it will not work? Means suppose that you had just installed, configure, it will not work. So what you can do in that case, restart your VS Code and then you have to check. Got my point? Means just close the VS Code after adding this file, close the VS Code, and then after that again restart, again open, and then you have to look over here. Means then you can add all the files and then check whether it's working or not. So like that way you have to cross verify. Sometime you will face issue. And second thing, if you have not internet connection, then it will not work, because this one is searching somewhere, this code. Where it's searching, we will see that. So how we had saved time for this thing? What you have to do? How many line of code you have to write? And a button radius, I don't know how that will come. BTN, what about this border? BTN border is there something. Let it to be BTN and then RAD. No. RAD radius. Something was there. But a second thing, suppose that, yeah, and text color is got automatic white. Okay. Then, yeah, BTN dash SM. Yes. So with the help of this, we got a small button. We want a large button, BTN dash LG. Save this. You got large button. Like this way, we can get that. Now, just see the whatever we had told, that it's saving time, line of code execution, less line of code, these all things we're going to prove now. Suppose you have to do the same thing. Okay. With the help of CSS, how many line of code will be required at least? Can anyone?
4 or 5.
4 or 5, at least 5 line.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Second. Okay, so we had saved with the help of just one line of code. That become just a few class, 2-3 class name. With the help of that, we got that effect. Clear? So it saved our time, because within second itself we had written that. Otherwise, we have to write this class, means all the things, then only. It saved our time. Second, line of execution. Everybody told that it going to save our time, means it going to be fast. Execution of time will be reduced. How it reduce the execution of time? It was a 5 line of code. It have to execute one by one. Correct or not? Then only this HTML will be also reduced. Means it will execute. But what about now? When it is not there, it is commented. How we will do now? Now it is one line of code only. Got it or not? Now it saves time in execution also. That's why if it is saving time in execution, what about the code? Will it fast or no? Not. Code execution, it will be fast or slow? It will be fast because only one line of code it have to execute. Correct? Because suppose you have to write 5 line of code, one by one all line of code will be go for the execution. But now there is only one line of code. It will execute fast. Clear? All dot got become clear or not? Tell me. Anyone having any more doubt?
Clear, sir.
Clear? Everyone clear? Okay. So see, when you telling anything, whether
One
it
more
is a
time.
yeah, which one? Who is that?
So
Shivani.
line number 28.
Line number 28 is 28. So see, what we had done, we taken one button, okay? And in that button, if you have to do this all activity, whatever we had done here now, that red color is there, button is white in text, then border is something, means it look like big.
Well,
These all things. Yeah, hello. Yeah, Abhishek. Okay, so if you have to do the same thing, how many line of code you have to write? At least, Shivani? How many line of code you have to write if you want the same thing with the help of CSS?
Sir, 4, 5.
At least 4 5. That's fine.
Yes,
So at
sir.
least just you can imagine, just think that this line of code you have to write for that purpose. Okay, means total how many line of code become in your complete file? This one will be one line, that is your HTML, and this style become 4 5 line, means total 5 line this one line this one, 6 line become. Now if you have 6 line, while execution means when that will come on your UI, means all 6 have to go one by one. It have to execute one by one. Correct or not? All 6 line have to execute one by one. So due to that, execution will be slow. Means if you have just only one line of code, then it will execute within minor second. But when you have 5 line of code here, then one line, 6 line, means just imagine when you line of code is increasing, file size become heavy. Okay, file size will also increase, and due to execution will also slow down. And due to execution of slow down, your page will be also going to be slow. Means it will take more time in loading. And if it taking more time of loading, because your net speed is slow, and due to that it affecting the user window. Will anyone like that means you had clicked on any page or you searching for any URL and it loading for half an hour? Will you stay on that page? Will you wait for that file to be load? Anyone is like that? Everyone got
no,
sleep.
sir.
If you will sleep like this, then how I will take night at 11 o'clock the class? That time everybody will sleep.
No, sir, I'm
Okay.
eating. That's why I'm not telling anything, sir.
You are always in exception, don't worry. Okay, so Shivani, what you thinking? If we got a line of code increased, it reduced your increase, means it reduced your speed. It reduced your speed, and due to a speed, it affecting the user end, because who is our last goal? User. Because whatever you doing, that is for the user, not for yourself. Correct? Whatever you doing, you are writing code, you are making any website. For whom you making website? You not want that to keep in your home. You want for the user. You going to do some marketing. You going to do some business. Correct? So that's why be thinking in the user point of view. So here, what it going to do, with the help of this, it becomes 6 line of code. It reduced our speed, performance of the website because line of code. So if you told in the interview that it reducing our, it means it increasing the performance of the website. How it increase the performance? Like this way you can tell. When 5 line of code, execution going to slow down, taking more time. That's why performance will be slow. That's the thing. Second, saving time. How it's saving time? Suppose for same task, you have to write the style, 5 line of a style, but no need to write that and save time with the help of just write one class. That's it. Got that answer? How it's saving time? Sweta, had you clear now how it saved time?
Sir, how to know red color and white color that
Wait.
class? Sir?
Okay, we will learn that bootstrap, then we will know that. For right now, just ignore that one. That's
Okay,
why we
sir.
have taken just one example. That's it. So for right now, what we have learned, we learned that how we can correlate that bootstrap with our HTML file. Up to this clear? How it reduced our saving time, means how it saving time, how it increased the performance, how it increased the speed of the website, how it increasing saving time, website performance, many scenarios there. So just you can correlate with all term with the help of like line of code and this, that, like that way. Clear up to this? So
Okay,
suppose
sir.
now my
Sir,
second doubt. Yeah.
yeah, these all are benefit, means advantage of the bootstrap. Sir, is
Yeah.
there any drawback of bootstrap?
Yeah, that is also there. Because see, if anything is available, then negative is also positive is also there for all things. Whether why not you going to do anything free of cost, if you purchasing any material, then also negative is there, positive is there. So here also same thing. Now the drawback. Suppose you had taken this class. Okay. What output you got? Color is red, it looking big, text is white, correct? Now you can imagine by default you got this one. Again, you have to write something for making that different or not. If you want it, not red color, you want something different color, you have to pass that. But suppose that what color bootstrap have, that is predefined. Like suppose if you going to purchase any branded cloth, okay, then in that case, what happened? Yeah, hello. Who is that? So if you purchasing any brand, if you purchasing any branded cloth, so what happened? Branded cloth have already predefined some color, correct or not? So they have already predefined color. You will not get any color which you want. It's already predefined is there. So in that case, what you will do? You will not purchase that branded shirt or pant or jeans, anything. You will go from the shop and you will purchase the piece of the cloth, and then you going in the tailor and then you taking that shirt, correct? So that thing here also it is going to do, because whatever color be getting predefined, they have like 7 or 8 color. After that, if you want any color, you have to write your own CSS. Got that? If you want something, then again, means after writing bootstrap also, again you have to write, the line of code will be increased. Second thing, suppose that these all things coming from somewhere, means this bootstrap is coming from the somewhere. Now just imagine if you had written this one and if you have a low network connectivity, speed is low, what happened? Will this file will load? What are you thinking? Will
No, sir.
No, sir.
suppose it will affect the performance, because if you have like 20 KB of a speed, then even your HTML file not getting, then how that this class will load? How you can imagine that it will load and it will take that data from there? So that become the issue. So this type many issues are there also, but we getting benefit also and issue is also there. So both things is there. Okay. Now my next question, if I want our CSS and bootstrap together, how we can do? Can anyone?
So
Any idea?
download sir code, sir, CSS.
Okay.
No, sir. With the help of line number, code number 28, we'll pass our class, and inside class we have to write our CSS style.
So see, what we can do. If I not telling you that this is a bootstrap, okay. If I will remove this, how you know that this is bootstrap? Means this class, whatever we had written in the bottom, this is bootstrap class. Due to means we know that that is a bootstrap, and the link is there. That's why we know that this is a bootstrap class. Fine. But now we had commented that and we passed only btn something. Save this file. Whether we getting any output, there is no any output. This is the demerit. Got that? Suppose you have no network connectivity and you running this HTML file, then you will get the issue. Samir, clear? As like we commented out.
Yes, yes.
Next, now you want your CSS also. Okay. So if you commented, any special thing is there available like bootstrap or anything in this HTML file? What you know? Button. What is this one? Bit button?
HTML.
HTML tag. What about the class? This again the part of HTML class
Yes,
and
sir.
ID. What about this between? Just one
Bootstrap
name.
part, sir.
No. Don't think that bootstrap part. Just this is a name. I like we was
Yeah.
writing our class name previously. I will remove this and I will write my class name. Okay. What you thinking here? btn. Just I will give something. Wait. Write that btn itself. Okay. What you thinking now? This btn is a bootstrap class.
No, sir.
Okay. Let it to be. Think that. Just wait. I showing you. Now tell me that btn is bootstrap class.
No, sir.
No, because now it's look like simple class. Means that's look like, and how you know that this is look like simple or what? Because up to here, don't think. Okay. Now if you will show anyone, he will tell that this is a bootstrap class. But when you will show that this btn class btn is defined inside this, then you will get that this is not a bootstrap class. This is my class. So save. What you got? You got your output. But what I want, so there is no any difference that bootstrap and CSS. But what I will do, I will uncomment this line. And what I want now, I want to add my style, our style with bootstrap. What we can do? Let's see. What effect you got? Can anyone tell me something? What you got here?
Sir, it's CSS. Details.
Now tell me. Wait, I'm going to comment this. Fine. Got commented? No any color is there? btn dash su double ce double s success. We got some color. We got that bootstrap color. That's fine. But I not want that it to be like a square. I want something circular. But I don't know in the bootstrap that is available or not. What we can do? But we know that in CSS. Correct. We know that in CSS that something is there, then we will add our style. But one best practice I will tell you, never pass whatever class bootstrap have with that reference. Like btn is bootstrap class. By default, we know that now that this is belonging to bootstrap. Okay, so we will not take bootstrap class with our style. Got my point? As like btn is there, so don't take btn is also here. Whatever style, if you want to increase see what is the effect? We got 50% radius, but we will not take a bootstrap class. We will take our predefined class, means our style, anything we can take. So can anyone tell me what class name I can take? Now, naming convention is the main thing. Okay, so this button is related to click me, correct? So you can take the naming convention like that way. Otherwise, what this class is going to do, that you can do. So do one thing. Don't think that what it will do tomorrow. Be going to add more and more style in that. So let me go with the button name. So what is the button name?
Click.
Click me. So take the class like that, btn_click. Got this? How we take a naming convention like this way. Now you can easily identify, you will easily get that the button name is click me somewhere. And what you will do, where you will pass, and how you adding your style means how you adding your CSS. Suppose now go to reverse. What is this? This is a .btn click, correct? Dot means what, Sweta? What is the meaning of dot here? Shivani?
For class.
For class
define class.
means,
For
yeah.
define class.
With the help of dot, we got that this is a class name. Class name means what? Where we will pass? We will pass somewhere in with the class itself. And in HTML and CSS, we know that we can pass multiple class. Correct or not? So we can write here. Up to this, anyone having any doubt? Tell me. We passed that one. And what about this one? This class be not defined. This all class we had not defined. It already coming from somewhere, but we don't know where it's coming. Let it to be. But this class we know that we had defined. Correct or not? btn click, it is all available inside style. We can pass this CSS, external CSS, as we was doing up to CSS. Up to this, anyone having any issue? Tell me. Shivani, clear?
No.
No issue? Sweta, clear? So this way, we going to add our CSS with Bootstrap. Clear this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as up to now, what you are doing with CSS, same you can do, but same time you can use Bootstrap also. Okay. Second thing. Now I'm going to save the file and let's see Bootstrap, that is radius file. What is the radius? Radius becomes something 50%. Let's comment this and just verify whether it's coming from here or somewhere. What happened? Be getting this from here. Correct. Now you want something extra style with this also. What you can do? I want margin and padding also. Go with margin. Margin pass 12 pixel. Just save. We got some margin. Clear. So this way we can add our CSS, our style with the class. Now my dot is that. Then from where this button had got the property? Like, just comment now. So from where this button had got the property, that green color, then click me the white color, then some bigger, how that got and from where? So
From
whatever,
link, sir.
yeah. So in link, as like external CSS, if you have to apply, what you doing actually? Be passing like this way, and in href we are passing our CSS link. Fine. So let me pass my CSS link. Somewhere sure I have. Where is that parcel batch to then navigation bar I had taken somewhere? No. Which file we had created navigation bar? I think this one. Let it to be anything. This is not there. Okay. This is will be here, I think. Let it to be. I don't know. Okay. Just imagine this is your CSS file. What you will do? Just you will suppose if you want any CSS, you will go on this link. Means you will write that whatever CSS you want, style you want, you will write on this file and you will access that particular class ID, how you referring, or by tag or attribute selector, different selector. Correct or not? You will write those CSS in that particular file, whatever is located in href. Is that correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Shivani? Correct. So same thing here also we had done. We had passed one link tag. Remove this one. We had passed one link tag. Okay. Do one thing. Press Control. See, you getting that some hint on the top. Follow link. What are they giving? Control plus click. Are you getting this one? When you will put cursor anywhere, you will get that. If you're not getting, simple, press control button. Wherever you getting that like a link type, press control button and suddenly you will get cursor fingertip. Fingertip means clickable. Okay, do one thing, just click this and see, it will open that file in your Chrome browser. It get open. Now what I will do, I will search this file btn. Okay, this is our class name, means your somewhere a style is written. So see, oh my god, what happened? So let's search. How I will search? Can we go one by one? So we will directly control and F. Control F means find and then paste that value. So see, we got something btn, and what we had taken in the case of btn dot means if this we had taken class. Class means what? Dot should be there, correct or not? Dot should be there. Dot means again here we got the dot btn. Then see, this all yellow color have dot btn. Then dot btn, something like that. Means already this CSS is defined somewhere. Clear? Next, we have taken something like a btn dash success. If you want, just pass this one, and if you want exact, do dot. You will get how many time you got? 12 time. Now see, btn success over. On over
Sir,
you get.
Sir, I
Yeah.
have one question. That apart from yellow color, one that color is coming. That what that color name?
Yeah, this brown color.
Okay,
Or whatever.
Is brown color indicating that this is the exact class name?
No. It exacting that you are right. You are targeting right now here. Suppose
But
that we had search. Wait 1 second. Total search is how many? 2 by 12. Now it's showing that.
second
This one.
Okay.
Here, what you getting? 2 by 12. Means total is 12. You got total 12. You had find total 12. And out of 12, now you are at second one. If
Okay.
you will click this, now you came at the third search. Now you came to fourth. Getting this one? See, the color is changing. Okay, this is the way of searching anything. Now you are at seventh one. Okay, see, got this? This one is the thing. So this way we can search. Now see, you are on the first position. See that line of code also, and increase this. 1 second. Where's that gone? Click this, you will get. So we got here. So now see, some effect you will get when you will put cursor over this. What happened? Are you getting something? Mouse over or not? It getting dark.
Yes, sir.
Correct. It getting dark. See, some effect is there on mouse over in the button case. That's why we getting. It encouraging. Okay, let it to be this much enough. So see here, button success and over. Some effect is there, color and background color and then border color. See, this much effect is there. Correct. So this way we getting those all. Okay. Anyone having any issue? How we can link our bootstrap, then our style, and how it reduce time, from where the code is coming? Anyone having any issue? Tell me. Not even bootstrap, this is CSS. All whatever link you had passed here, JavaScript also, just click and see what you got. You got that JavaScript code is written here. Okay. See, alert is there anywhere. No alert. So who is on? Okay. अरे बंद करो, ये पूरा मछली बाजार वाला एकदम रिंगटोन लगा दिया है। ये पूरा एकदम बच्चा वाला क्लास का फीलिंग आता है ऐसा में। पीछे से मम्मी बोलते हैं बच्चा बेटा बंद करो बंद करो। ये वो हाल है। ठीक है। Anyone having any doubt up to this? Tell me fast. No doubt. Shivani, Sweta,
Sure.
Amol.
No, sir, no doubt.
No doubt.
Not
So now
Sir, that color only doubt, sir. How is it come?
let it to be color, because we have not covered the topic. Be telling you how means you will link the file. Okay. Otherwise, how you will know that if I will not pass any code? How you will know that? That's why. Let it to be the color. So
Okay, sir.
now we take in only the class, our CSS. Okay. And what was that? Okay. So next we will cover okay. So next we're going to cover that next part. So up to here, this is not required. Okay. So up to here, what we had discussed, how we will use Bootstrap 4, 5, whatever different versions are there. We seen that how it going to save our time. Okay. And how we going to use that. So let's start from the Bootstrap. So it is basically the free front-end framework and for faster and easier web development. Okay. Then same thing we discussed, then Bootstrap versions not required, get Bootstrap CDN already be discussed. Then mobile first related to be, then come to the topic. Yeah. So container, what you had studied in the case of container, in the case of where in CSS, div, I had told you regarding div. Yeah. What we had studied regarding div. We had studied anything regarding div or not?
Yeah, div like a container, sir.
It's like div like a container, correct? So same thing we going to learn here with the concept of a container itself. So let's see what container is going to do. Now, second doubt, if I will make one file, new file, okay, wait, .html. Now, if I had created second file, now I will take another file. Now tell me how I will add Bootstrap here. Will this work directly or anything I have to do?
Link, sir. Bootstrap.
We have to pass a link again.
Link, sir.
Yeah. So how we'll pass? Just copy this link, whatever link we had added here. Correct? And paste here. That's it. Got it? Next. Next, we will going to learn regarding the container. As like div, what we had learned in the case of div, what div is going to do? Div is a container. Take this and take that, and container is also like that itself. It going to keep your item or material in one place like that. So I going to take this line. 1 second. And one thing, best practice of code from right onwards itself, we have to follow that. We have to take all things inside a div. Okay, nobody's code should be outside of div. Every code should be inside a div. Means a div is like a main container, and inside you have to do all the task. Okay, so see what we had done. We taken something. Wait, let me save and pass here 2. Okay, so see what we had taken. We had done that. We had taken one div, okay, and inside div we had passed one class. Class name is container. So do one thing, remove this class container and just observe the difference. And please, everyone have to speak. What happened?
Sir.
What you observed here?
Margin left is gone.
Yeah. So everything become in the side of that browser, correct? There is no any space in the browser and our page. There is no space. So container, it going to pass you by default the means left side margin, correct or not? So with the help of container,
Yes, sir.
whenever there will be requirement, you can go with the container. Okay, and with the help of container, you can make the margin like this way. Okay, so what you thinking regarding the right side, whether right side also the same thing or what? So let's do one thing. Give some text here, and then let's verify. Sorry. See, this is very easy actually. Okay, but we have to just understand. That's it. Now see what happened. What you observed. It given you in both case or only one case? Only one
Both
side.
cases, sir.
In both cases. So when we passing margin, okay, sorry, margin not a container. So in that case, be getting in both side the spaces. Okay. So wherever required, what you can do? Or same thing, what you have to do actually, if you going with CSS, what you can do and how you will get this? Can anyone tell me?
Sir, we use margin padding.
Okay, write that. For starting, we will write that also. Then we will realize the differences. How we will target?
Sir, we have to take, sir, div,
Okay, div, fine,
curly braces,
fine. Next,
then take margin
margin,
padding.
margin, same thing. Okay, take
Yeah.
12 pixel. Let's save. So we got margin. Let increase this 120. Okay, wait. Don't take 120. Take 100. What happened? Why we getting on the top also? I not want top. I want left side.
Give margin left.
Sir,
then.
pass 0
Sir,
pixel.
margin left we take.
Margin left. Let's save. So we got in the left side. What about right side? Right side.
Take margin left, right, sorry.
So
Another property, margin right.
what?
Margin right.
Now it's clear.
Yeah.
Had you got idea? Now comment this.
Padding also.
Padding not required, but okay. Let it let it to be. Comment that now. And now I will
Use
take
text align
bootstrap.
center.
Let it to be. Now I will take the bootstrap class, that is container. So when you will start writing, you will get automatic suggestion if you have bootstrap installed. Okay. I don't know why it not came in my case. CONTAINER. Okay, container came. So see, we got the same thing or not? Just minor it had slight. We got the same thing because now see the style is the commented. Clear? What is the benefit of writing bootstrap? For same thing, we have to write 2 lines of code. But for same thing, we have to pass one class. So we know that with the means what we have to keep in mind regarding the class name. That is the thing. That's it. We have to keep in mind that with the help of this class, what it's going to do. And something class is there that can do something like that way. Got this point or not? So with the help of
Sir, if
container,
we take another class name, then what will happen?
that it's not going to blast your code. It will do their effect. Okay. If you by
If we
mistake,
take another name, then
yeah, that's not an issue. It
that
will
will-
give their effect. So you will verify that. So we see while learning during a starting time, we will go through one by one class name. But after that, wherever you have dot, search in Bootstrap. Okay.
okay.
Otherwise,
Okay.
just you can go in the documentation of Bootstrap and you can search that. Suddenly you will get the idea. Which class will we do what? Clear? No need to remember these all, but you will get
Yes,
that
sir.
idea automatic. when you will work, you will get that maximum class will be in your mind. So with the help of a container, be getting this one. One more thing is there in the case of container itself. So that is fluid container. Okay. So what it will do with the help of container fluid class to create the full width container. Clear? With the help of this, we going to create a full width of the container. So do one thing. Take one div and pass a here. Okay. And remove this container. And you know one thing, how you can get this, whatever div we had written in the shortcut, I showing you. Wait. How you writing class with dot? Give class
Dot
container,
div dot.
container container. I think by this way. Yeah. Had you got this directly? What I had done? See, I
Yes.
done dot and suppose container is the class name. Give that container container and hit enter. You will get with div directly. Now you can pass your content here. Not only in case of Bootstrap. See, if you be writing our own class, give our own class name, pass. We had given previously btn underscore click, hit enter. You got this class and that. Got this idea? By this way, we can write class inside a div in the first time itself. Okay. If you want multiple, like suppose that dot btn, then what was another class? I don't know how that I have to come. I had not used more actually this thing. btn, then btn dash ranger danger. I don't know what it will do.
Sir,
Oh, yeah.
your screen is stuck, sir.
Is it for all?
No, sir.
No,
Shweta, internet is not good.
Shweta, you are having network issue.
Shweta, please order one tower on your house. It will be good.
Sir, Shivani is taking revenge from me.
Yeah, that
Me.
is.
No, everyone told me na. Suddenly, when you have
Oh,
network issue. That's why I'm telling.
great. I know the behavior of girls. Whenever she will get
Shivani,
chance.
That Dharminder told me this.
Shivani, still
I'm
you have
not
network
taking
issue.
any revenge, please.
Okay. Nobody is here going for the fight. Okay. Be going to fight with Bootstrap. So second, if you have to write something, yeah, we have taken first a container. We know that what container is giving. Container is giving left and right margin. Okay. But one thing more is there, container and fluid. We wanted something, do one thing, what it will do, take this up to here. You know how you can copy this directly from top to bottom? Anyone having idea? Shivani, you
Yes,
have
I-
idea?
Yes, I
Control
have
A.
Control A, okay. And then?
Click.
Yes, I have
Oh,
idea. Can I tell?
fine. This become control A.
Can
Yeah.
I tell?
Okay.
Okay, so line number 53.
See, I telling you, Shivani, see here. Everyone who don't know, suppose that I want to copy this line, okay, up to bottom, up to here. Okay, up to here you have to
Yes.
copy. Don't do anything. There is one option that you will go like this way and you can scroll by mouse. Correct. You will select up to there. Don't do like this. Put your cursor here starting. Now scroll down and keep go last. Where is the last? This one. Suppose paragraph. Before clicking the mouse, press shift button. Got it? And directly you got selected. See from first.
So shift and then click.
Yeah, shift and mouse click.
Okay.
This way we can select from there to there. And directly you can copy. Okay. Now I want the same content in this section. Now save and let's verify what it's going to do. So see, now we had taken container and fluid only audio. Sir, who is this? Sweta. Sweta, do one thing, rejoin. rejoin that, then you will get. So see, now we had used the container fluid. Okay. So who is on mute? Who have good internet connectivity? This Samir Raja.
Sir, you have.
Means what you want? Don't tell that give me internet.
Revenge.
Yeah, man, she is completely on revenge
I'm
today.
not. So someone told me if your net speed is 50 kbps,
Means
then
what you
video
will,
is.
means what you will do for all member, you will tell this thing.
Sir, you see, he's remember that thing.
Okay. So here what we had done, we taken container fluid. So with the help of container fluid, what you are observing? Below is the container fluid and top is just container. What you are observing the difference? In the case of container, it giving left and right a space, margin is there. But in case of fluid, it giving that left and right margin, but that's minor. Correct? So when you required like this way, you can create your website this one. Do one thing now. Now you will realize the difference. Go in the webs means a different device. Okay. And go with mobile device. Now check that issue. Is there any issue happening there? I don't know. Okay, in this case, in mobile device, when it came, this is your which one? Container. Top one is container and bottom is container fluid. Is there any difference in both cases? Are you observing any difference in mobile
Yes, sir.
device?
It's in upper case, only right side is aligned, and in down, both sides is aligned.
Which is upper case?
So in upper, in container, so only right and only left side is aligned, and in container fluid, both sides are aligned equally.
Where? See this side.
No any difference, sir.
There is no difference. Shivani, are you getting any difference? Praful, Roshan, these Maharashtra guys are sleeping.
Sir,
Only
your
No,
internet
sir.
connection
No,
not
sir.
good, sir.
Everyone
Sir,
telling
not
so.
you are silent.
Sir, Maharashtra guys having network issue, I think.
No.
No, it is a Ambani type Mumbai.
Vice Mani is paid Amardeep Prasad.
They are belonging to Ambani group. They're telling we have tower.
Mumbai Indians.
So see, in both cases, we not realized any difference when we going with a small device or other devices. But yeah, when we going with laptop or big screen device, then we are getting that differences. Clear? So when we will use boot means container and when we will use container fluid. Now it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever requirement like that, you can go with that. But both will be work in both cases. There will be no any issue. So container and container fluid. Fine. So next, what is this container padding? Okay. Now padding we will learn later also. That's not an issue. But just to get that also. So suppose that if you want a padding here, you want a top padding something. What you will do and how you will pass in CSS? Tell me fast. I want a top
First of
padding.
all, make div class, sir.
Yeah, let it to be. This is already. We will use that itself.
Pass padding.
Yeah, what I will pass? Padding means we want a top space. So what we will pass? PADDING padding top. Correct. Give something. 12 pixels.
Padding 100%, sir.
No, it will be go down. What are you thinking? To make outside. So see, we passed padding top. Clear? So with the help of padding top, we get some spaces on the top. This one and this one also, because we had passed on the div. We not targeted anyone particularly. So that's why. But we got the padding somewhere. Clear? But we not want with the help of CSS. We want same thing with the help of Bootstrap. Naming convention is just a simple. Padding means P. Okay. and top means T. That's it. And how much you want? Pass like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So give that padding hyphen and 5. What happened? We got padding. I think it's problem or what? No. Wait. Padding top. Give 3. Let's save. What is happening? Why it's not giving? Padding hyphen 3. That's fine. Container. Yeah, here it's working. But why not my case? Padding dash 5. Yeah. Okay, that already gone. Container div targeted. CONTAINER. That's fine. Padding hyphen 5. What magic is they are doing? Remove this. One second. Let's open this. Yeah. Okay. Now I think it given. Okay. Yeah. So see here for the padding, what we done? We passed something like 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So be getting somewhat padding. Okay. So PT means padding top. If you want padding left, right. Okay. Then what you will do? P means padding and L. Just see. Yeah. PL. That is padding left. So give that padding left and hyphen. How much you want? 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. Up to 5 numbering is there. Don't give 10, 11 that. It will not work. Up to 5 only. So let's see it going to do anything. It given anything or not? Have you realized? So padding top
Yes,
hyphen
sir.
5. Okay. So this way we can give the padding. But we not want padding in larger screen. We want padding in a smaller screen or medium screen. Do one thing simple. Don't give here anything pt hyphen. Just now be given 5. 5 means everywhere. Wait, I will remove this first. Just to go normal. Now it is on the top of the screen. Fine. I want padding top hyphen 5. Let's save. We got padding. Why it's not working sometime? What it going to do? Padding hyphen 3. Okay, hey, okay, I think we had a scroll. Oh, screen was just scrolled. Padding 0 is there. Fine. So padding top 5 we had given. Yeah. Okay, the screen was just scrolled. So please take care. Otherwise, you will also face this issue. If a screen will be scrolled up, you can't able to guess that padding is there. So what we had given padding top, we had given 5, but we not want padding top 5 in the case of a larger screen. We want in the case of a smaller screen only. What you can do? Remove this 5 and control a space. You will get suggestion. Padding top hyphen. I want a smaller screen means SM, a smaller screen. How much you want padding in a smaller screen case? 5. Let's save. It's not given again. Let's save. MD hyphen 5. Let's save. It is given here actually in this case. So see, we will learn this also later. So with the help of a screen dependency, means which type of a screen you want, you can pass with the help of MD, SM, LG for large screen, MD for medium, SM for a small, like this way. 3 categories are there. So what you want in which type of device, that you can, like that way. Clear? Somewhat had you got idea this padding, how we can or not? We will learn this thing again, topic will come. Had you got some idea how we will get that? So mostly we covered one container and container fluid. Anyone having any doubt in container and container fluid? Now tell me. Anyone doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
No doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
But what we want that
Okay.
whatever we had added here HTML, I want to pass some border. How you can pass with the help of CSS? I want to pass a border for that particular section. Can anyone?
Border.
Border. So we use border.
Give our class. Give class name. Like okay, BORDER, border and div. Border and
Underscore.
underscore container. Give like div. Let it to be. Okay. So I given a div underscore border underscore div and pass a dot here. Fine. Next, we want a border. Write that border. How much? Go 5 pixel. Then solid and I taking green color. Fine. And save. We not get because we had not added our class. So add our class. Clear up to this? We got that border. Clear or not? Now we want.
Yes, sir.
Now we want a padding where on the top of the border. What you will do? Pass here padding. And padding where we want top. Give 50 pixel. Let's save. What happened? Had we got? 1 second. We got.
So it should be margin, not padding.
Yeah, that will be. So give a margin. What happened in Hindi typing? Give margin. MARGIN margin hyphen
Sir,
top. Yeah.
so in case of border radius, you told another way to write.
How I had told. Border radius.
Yes, sir.
But this is border. This is not border
First we have
radius.
to class. No, sir. First we have in line number 15.
Line number 15.
Told to
Okay.
first write dot class name and then which
Then
dot btn and underscore click.
see,
Then
you can. That is okay. That is naming convention. Okay. With the help of this name, you can write anyway. But with the help of that, you can got idea something like where you going to write. Okay. There is no restriction how you writing. If you writing ABC also, that's fine. But
But I'm not
naming
understanding this format.
Okay, you can write any format. What you want? Just tell me what we can write for this one. Means where we want 1 second. We want to apply border for this section. Okay, how you can write? What name you can provide for this section?
Sir, first you remove that class name in line number 20.
Let it to be that. Give some class. What I can write?
Div.
Okay, you telling div. Fine. Next underscore.
Container.
Okay, fine. Container. CONTAINER. Okay. So you can write any name. That's not an issue. Okay, but you have to know that what is the meaning of that. Slowly, when you will work on project, no, then you will get this idea because there you will get a real time some section. So you will get the idea. Suppose a header section. Suppose that this is a body section. Paragraph. Suppose this is my first Bootstrap page, means Bootstrap page. You can write like that also, div underscore Bootstrap underscore page, like that way. Anyway, that's we can. And now we had done. Okay, but we not want this margin with the help of CSS. Can anyone suggest what naming convention you can use? Maybe because for padding we had used PT. What maybe for the margin?
Empty.
Yeah. So write here empty. Empty. When you will write empty, you will get something. Okay. Let's pass 5. First save that. Okay. Now we get on the top and pass it here. Empty hyphen give 5. And let's see what happened. We got the margin top. See, border margin top is there or not? Got it. So this way we getting the naming convention of a Bootstrap. Suddenly means slowly you will got this. This is empty. Okay. Now you want left side, right side like that. So you can pass ML. I think that ML. Yeah. So ML, that is margin left. So see, in margin left, it get reduced this section, means this boundary side. Clear? Had you got something idea how we can use that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this type naming convention is slowly you will get this. So up to here, what we had covered, we covered that how we using container, and next how we using that one margin and padding. We had learned 2 things more: container fluid, margin, padding. Now I will look over here color. I will left this 2. Tomorrow I will cover. I will cover the
Sir,
color.
I
Yeah.
have one more question.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, it is mandatory to write container
Yeah, no,
in
container
every
is
situation.
no, wherever suppose you're going to make any website. Okay, and what you want that your text should be somewhat proper aligned from left and right, proper somewhat margin. You can go
Yes,
with
sir.
the container. No need to, why you will take extra margin and padding? Because same thing you getting from the container itself.
Because
Correct.
of it is official things, sir. That's why we are
Yeah.
going for container.
Yeah, that's a be taking that always. But if you're not taking container, then your text will be from left and right. All it's completely occupied. It not look good. That's why.
Okay, sir.
See,
Then we
suppose
have to take container or a
yeah,
fluid container.
yeah, anything you can take. Yeah.
Anyone. Okay. Okay.
So now I going to discuss regarding the color. As like I had taken that's a danger 3 underscore COLOUR dot HTML. So next, how I will link this my page with Bootstrap. Copy this file. Pass here. HTML. Fine. Now I going to add a style here for the color. So what we will do? What is that file name? 3 underscore COLOUR. Is that correct? COLOUR.html. Yeah, correct. So for color, there is just simple. What are the color name? Okay. Now, how is your muted text will come? Suppose you had muted somewhere. How this will be look like? Muted means gray color type, some means like white type, a gray, like that opacity will be there, like that it will come. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Like that it's coming.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you want something like that type of color, you can take a text muted. Okay. And the color name is, if suppose you have to make the color change of font, what you are doing in the style case? What you are taking?
Sir, color.
You are taking color. Do one thing.
Color.
Just I will take something. Sorry. Style and color. Yellow color. H1 and heading. See, we can go reverse also. Okay, it's not compulsory that we will write first class name or HTML, then only we can go. No, we can go anyway. So what we had taken here, we had taken one container, and suppose you have to make a color for this particular text. What are you doing? You just taking color. But here in Bootstrap case, you have to tell that is a text. So text color name. Okay. So color name here 5 or 6 color means total 8 or 9 color is defined already. So one is muted. Just keep in mind the name muted. Okay. Then primary. So go one by one. Just wait 1 second. No need to remember any color name. Okay. Suddenly you will get 4 or 5 color name already you will got in mind. Now, if you want something to make black type or gray type, take this color. And what you will pass here, just take care on the text. We passed class name. What is the class name? Text hyphen muted. We want the color of text. Okay, that's why we had passed there text hyphen muted. Clear? Or color name just text. This is the main thing. Muted is not main. So if you have to make color of any text, what are you going to do? You taking text and then color. What is the color name? Color name is muted. Let it to be. You want something like a success type, means a primary color. What is the primary color? Whenever you want something color, that is blue. Okay. Wait. Suppose you have to take any other color. What you will do? You will take again. Text is the main thing, main key. Okay. And after that, whatever color. So primary color in Bootstrap, it will give you blue color type. Okay. Next. So what is that main thing? What is the color of success? Can anyone? Success color in
Green.
real time.
I think
Green.
green.
Yeah. So
Sir,
see, we taken success. Success we given green. Clear? Something you getting or not? So
Yes,
what
yes.
we take? We taking that text and what? How we getting the color name? Which type color will be that? So success means green. Primary in the blue. Okay, like that. Some color name you will get in mind. What? How you will providing any information? By which color you providing any information? What was the color of mark tag?
sir. Okay. Blue.
This is giving blue.
Mark
No,
tag yellow.
mark was yellow. So if you want any information, means there are total 8 or 9 color name, muted, primary, success, info, then warning, danger, these all. What is the main key? Main key is for coloring text. Text is the main, and after that color name. Clear? So suppose you have to pass a warning. Okay, then you can use this color. That is yellow type. Okay, clear? Getting this or not? If you have to pass warning, then we can go with that color. Now, what is the color of danger?
Red.
Red. So here also you will get the color red. Got it? See in the bottom. Comment this line first. Now, some color that is named as secondary. Nobody will ask you in interview that what is the color name of secondary. Nobody will ask. Okay. But yeah, anybody will ask that how you will color your text. So with the help of which class? Text class. Text hyphen color name. Okay, then again a dark color, then something color is dark. Okay, that become dark means like a bold type. Then something in name is that text hyphen body. Go and check which type of color it's giving. Default body color. Okay, that look like black. Then next is what is that text light? This is light. Where that light color gone? This text is light default. What happening actually? Why it's not loading page?
So do one thing. You just check it's affecting or not. Instead of light, you have to give that danger color. And after that, we can find out that.
Oh, maybe that is white color. Yeah, see here.
Yes, light.
On white background. That's why.
Sir, it's white. Text light white, sir.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's why. Oh my God.
Yes.
Okay. That is light. That is like LED light.
Sir, it's sir.
Now text white. It will also give white. We can't able to see. Okay. So this type there are
Sir,
some
it's
color name.
visual.
That is visual.
So, sir.
Yeah. So what we learn here, 1 second. What we learn here, wherever you want a coloring of text. Okay. What is the class name? Can anyone? Coloring of text. How you will make the color of text? With the help of a text. And whatever color you want, you will pass there. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But there are some default color. Suppose that you had taken this text dash muted, but you not want it to be black. Okay. Suppose muted color have this one, but we not want. I not like that one. What you can do? Remove this color. Okay, and pass your own color. Pass that. Then which color I will pass? I have already predefined the class name. See. Okay.
Color,
pass
color,
that.
class name.
COLO. Where that going? COLOR color. Now see. We had written the text is muted, but it coming red. Because that is my style. Now pass. Now save. Now see, we got this one. So wherever you're not getting, you can pass your style by that as like CSS. But if you know some color which is available in Bootstrap, if you want, you can use that with the help of which one? With the help of text. Because of that text, okay, and hyphen primary, secondary, danger, this thing. So with that, anyone having any issue, tell me how we can color that.
No, sir.
No issue?
Sir,
fine.
Can you come HTML section, sir?
Yeah.
So, sir, meanwhile, as you said, like tags color. So, meanwhile, we can take allow apart from tag, we can take button also, same things.
For button also we can take, but that is different thing. That's why we not gone. In button text will not work. But something will work.
Here text is the main class and the
In button section, button will be main class.
Yeah. So this is text. That's why we taken text, and whatever color you want, you passed. But don't write your means anything from your side, like a text dash button we had written. If anybody will write a text dash yellow, it will work. It will not work. Okay. So please don't be more intelligent. Whatever Bootstrap have, this you getting in free of cost. If you want you have to write your code. Don't save more and more time. Okay. It will be too danger.
Sir, one thing more I've done is like this text hyphen primary. If I want to add, if I want to add some extra CSS in that same class only, so we can declare that same class in our CSS file.
Now you can think one thing. This is just only one person. Okay. and you are overloading 2 color on this, which color will be available? Got my point? Now I applied my color. See the
No,
color.
sir. No, sir. I will not apply the same thing. I will not apply the color. Like I will in this background is not there. I will add background.
Yeah, that's we can do. We will do that. Now we had not learned that thing. That's why I not adding that, but we will add that. Okay. But suppose you want like this way. Here be taken text primary, but I not want. I want my color, which I had defined on the top. Okay, this one. Suppose that I will write here my underscore color. Anyone have to go for lunch? Means sorry, dinner? No one?
Sir, I already had dinner, sir.
Okay, fine. So see what I done. I added that with this is a let me comment this. That will be fine at least. Let's save. Yeah. So see, text is primary. Okay, and I pass my color. My color is here, and my color is yellow color, but it's not coming. Why it's not coming? Can anyone tell me? Why it not came in this section?
Sir, because my color is not my color, sir. It's your color.
Then that's my color. Oh, that's why it's not coming. That is not the case. Something different. Tell
Sir,
me.
same class applies, sir. Heading and P tags,
Oh,
sir. 31 lines.
means that's why it's not coming. Correct?
Yes, yes.
Is this 5 rupees that somebody had taken? Then why I will come? See that came again. Yeah, what you had told, it already applied in heading. Then it will not come. Now see, it is available in heading also, and this is coming in. This is text. This text is important also. Same color. Now tell me. Thing is there. Oh, sorry. Why I taken this one? Text hyphen, let it to be primary. External CSS and internal CSS. That's the thing. Okay. Who is getting first priority?
Primary.
Inline.
Primary. Who is primary CSS? Where is this thing? Oh, that is written class. Oh my God. First inline CSS will got more priority. Okay. But we had not written any inline CSS here. Let's add that inline CSS. This is inline CSS. Color. Take red. Fine. And let's save. What happened? We not get. Means external getting more priority.
Sir, he is telling झुकेगा नहीं कुछ भी कर लो.
Really? But a line have more priority. I had seen somewhere. I don't know. Let I will make that. Put that bottom. Let's see. No, but then also it's not. Okay. This is due to that external, internal, and then inline. Due to this case, actually, that is working. That is happening like that way. So, but actually, inline CSS was getting high priority, but I don't know why that externality here getting. Okay, let it to be whatever. But see, we getting from the external. That is primary color. Let's comment this line of code. Means what happened? External connection got a disconnect from our HTML. Correct or not? Is this correct? Now I had commented this link one. Means now Bootstrap is not adding in my file. Okay, let's save. What we got? We got this. This is important text. And now see who have red color. Internal or inline?
Inline.
Inline having. So now inline getting the priority. In the sense, first external getting priority. After that, if external is not there, then inline will get priority. Now comment this inline. Yeah, remove this inline also. What are you thinking? What will the color? My color class is there.
So green.
This will got priority. So save. This got priority. So that is the case. Okay. First external getting priority. After that, it coming here. Then it coming here like this way. Clear? Anyone having any issue now? Tell me. Anyone having any issue? So we completed color. Means color means what color? Text color. Okay. Now we will go with the background color. Within 2 minutes we will cover this one. So we will do just simple. What is that? How we will write shortcut of background? What you writing always? Shivani, what you writing shortcut? BG. Give that BG. And what color name we had studied just now? Can anyone?
Success.
Success. Go that.
Body, dark, danger, warning, info, mutate,
Wait.
memory.
Let it to be. Let it to be.
Network issue, Shivani.
So see, we had given success. Okay.
Again, I am start taking revenge from you all.
Means you will disconnect the call. That is the master revenge. So see here.
Sir, I disconnect. Lot of people call.
Who had started the call today?
You didn't see.
So see here, what we had done. Now be going for the background. And what I had done, just I had written the key, that is BG. In the case of text, we had written text and our color name. Now we had written BG and we got it, success color. Now what was the another success? Sweta. What was the another color name?
Shweta is not present, sir.
That time she was asking regarding color name. Now she gone. Okay. So next color was suppose that danger. Fine. Let's just check that. We got background color danger. Then another color was info. Let's check that info. So what you getting means with the help of text color we passed one bootstrap class, then we passed another bootstrap class, then we passed here our own class. Correct. Amardeep, are you getting what we are doing? Same thing you had asked previously.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we passed one class, another class, and same time my style, our style also. Who will get priority? They will come. Who will fight? Who will born? They will be on the UI side. Okay. So this way we can. And in the case of text color, pass the text keyword, and in background color, take BG. That's it. In padding and margin, PT. P. If you will take P will what? What P will do? What are you thinking? P will do anything or not? See, P came in the sense padding all side. Okay, save. See, padding came outside. Got this? But if you want only padding in the top, pass that. Padding 5.
भैया भूख लग रहा है, हमको घर भी जाना है.
घर जाना है रात को?
जी भैया, उधर मेरे घर में नेटवर्क अच्छा नहीं चलता ना, तो हम इधर 3 किलोमीटर दूर आते हैं इधर रूम के.
रात के 12 बजे 3 किलोमीटर कैसे जाओगे?
तू कितना झूठ बोलता है? कितना किलोमीटर बताया तू?
3 किलोमीटर.
गोली दे रहा है तू, गोली दे रहा है. 3 किलोमीटर तेरा दूर घर है.
शिवानी देखो इसका बोली क्या है. कहाँ से लेके आता है ऐसा वर्ड?
गोली दे रहा है, तुम गोली दे रहा है.
No comment, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. Samir, 2 minutes. Carry on. Cool down. So see what we had done. We taken how we can make a text color, and then we taken how we can background color, and then our style also, and then we look that PD means say padding, margin, this thing. That's over. Nice. Up to here, anyone having any issue? Tell me. We cover 4th thing: container fluid. For the coloring we covered text color and background color. Okay. Then if we want our style, we can pass. How we can pass? We can pass with our CSS. We can place anywhere. First, last, second, middle, anywhere. That's not the matter. And we covered margin, padding. How we can? Padding means P. Just if you passing P means all around. PT means padding top. Padding bottom means PB, PL, PR. Like that way. Means as like naming convention. but there you will get some fixed value like 0 to 5. You can't take more than. If you will take, that will not work. Okay. And how you will realize that will work or not? See, when you will pass this control space, you will got all suggestion PT 0, PT 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And after 5, it's finished. Next LG 0. Then what is LG? We will discuss that in upcoming. Okay. So up to now, anyone having any issue? First tell me. Any issue?
No, sir.
No issue? Fine. So now what you realizing? Is this looking complicated or easy? Now, what are you thinking? Is it complicated?
No, sir. It's easy.
It's
Just
easy.
remember the class. It will be easy.
Sir,
Yeah.
it's very easy, like HTML, sir.
I know why you're telling very easy, because you will tell very easy. I will close the class within 2 minutes. You will go. That's why you're telling very easy.